貨物, used in ports and airports and in transport by trains and trucks. It also comes up when talking about warehouses and customs. 貨物は港や空港、列車やトラックの運送でよく使います。倉庫や通関の話でも出ます。It is used as a noun. 貨物 means the goods being carried, and by extension, the freight or transport of those goods in logistics. 運ぶための品物、またはそれを運ぶ仕組み、サービスを指します。物流や運送の場でよく使われます。The first kanji means money and valuables. It appears in words about currency and money. Think of tsuka and kahei. It often suggests value being exchanged or moved. The second kanji means thing or object. It shows up in many daily words. Think of monogatari and tabemono. It points to physical items you can touch. This cargo is transported by ship. この貨物は船で運びます。この貨物は船で運びます。The freight arrived at the station. 貨物が駅に着きました。貨物が駅に着きました。We load the cargo onto the truck. 私たちは貨物をトラックに積みます。私たちは貨物をトラックに積みます。The company handles international shipments. その会社は国際貨物を扱います。その会社は国際貨物を扱います。The most common synonyms of the word are tsumini and nimotsu. Tsumini focuses on a load placed on a vehicle or ship, often in transport contexts. Nimotsu is everyday baggage or parcels. Kamotsu is more formal and common in logistics and industry. The most common antonym of the word is gyokaku, which refers to passengers. It contrasts with kamotsu, which is about goods, not people.